Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question June 19, variant 62, and question number is 3, which I am going to solve now. And topic is a binomial probability. So what the question is, the probability J will buy an item online is 0.35. So chances to buy is 0.35 in a week. And J does not buy more than one item in a week. All right. The probability in a 10-week period, okay, is J buys at most 7. What is at most 7? And whenever he mentioned 10-week period, okay, so it means N value is 10. And what is at most 7? At most 7 is mean maximum 7. So look, I show you, because binomial, I must start from 1 to 0. Sorry, start from 0. So this number line is not compulsory to make it, but if you make it, question becomes easy. So at most, what is at most mean? The maximum 7. So maximum 7. So it means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I need, and I don't want 8, 9, and 10. So what is method? How to do it? So R value, and you know the sum of the all values is 1. So how to find it? And before I start, I tell you, it is a very obvious that Rn value is 10. Now, question is that what is the chances to buy online a week is 0.35. And what is the Q? How to find Q? 1 minus 0.35, and Q becomes 0.65. So this data is available. And you know that this is a formula of the binomial. Sometimes he write B and N comma P. N is total observations or attempting, and P is probability of favor. And formula is very clear: NCR Q to power N minus R, P to power R. So let's try to solve it. And now you know the sum of the all values 1. So have two choices. Either you apply so many formulas, get the answer, but it's too lengthy. Or second option, which I don't need, I find it all these 3 and subtract from 1, because sum of the all is 1. So I'm trying now. P is equals to 1 minus R value is 8 plus R value is 9 plus R value is 10. So these 3 values I will find, you can see clearly, and subtract from 1. So have a look. So how we can try? 1 minus, and formula is N is here and R is there. So this formula I'm going to apply 3 times. So 10C8. So 2 brackets I will write, then 10C9. 2 brackets I will here put, hold on. And then I will go for 10C10. Again, I have 2 brackets. So this is a working. And you know, first each we have a Q. So Q is 0.65. I'm writing 0.65, 0.35. Each first bracket Q, second bracket P. And what is the power of the Q? N minus R. So 10 minus 8 come in first bracket, 10 minus 8. Second bracket 8. 10 minus 9. Second bracket 9. 10 minus 10. Second bracket is 10. And students, just wait. I type in calculator, and I will try to save your time. And my answer is coming finally after typing it in calculator all together. I'm saving your time and my time, so 0.995 is my final answer. And I hope so the point is very, very clear. So let's talk about a second part. Okay, the second part is what here? The probability J buys at least one item online. So, okay, you know, the previous question, I say at least, at most. So, N, I have it in a previous question, N is 10. But what is question here? So n period, it means here n value 10. But in this question, n is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know. And he said that find the smallest value possible of n. So n is my target. But it means that if I look at carefully, if I have a number line system, so this is 0, this is 1, this is a 2, 3. I don't know how many times it's ending. So let me check. Maybe it is a n, okay? And maybe 10, 11, 12, any number could be. Okay. So what is he saying? At least one item online. At least one item means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till n all I need. But what I don't need, this I don't want. And he said that probability is greater than 0.99. So for this situation, the probability is what? More than 0.99. So I'm writing here probability is more than 0.99. But probability of what? He said that, and probability finding formula is this. But thing is that how to get so many values? Very hard. Can I say 1 minus this to get the all answers? Correct. So in this place of probability, what I'm doing, 1 minus r is equal to 0. I believe you understood how I'm doing this part. Okay, so hold on. So this is a planning. So what is a method to do it? And we know the formula is very obvious. This formula I'm using now here. N is n, I don't know. R is 0, you can find from here. And Q value is same again, which I found. Sorry, Q value is 0.65. So Q value is 0.65 and p value is 0.35 and bigger than 0.99. But what is the power of the first bracket? As you know, n minus r. So n minus 0, and then 0 comes directly on second bracket, and you know it very well. And what is 5C0 is 1, 2C0 is 1, and C0 is 1. So this is very clear, 1. So I'm writing 1, and something to power 0 is 1 gone. So it means this is a 1, this is a 1. So student, only one thing left behind, and that is a 0.65 to power n. I believe you understood up till now. So I will bring this part here and 0.9 and bring on the left hand side. 1 minus 0.99 is more than 0.65 to power n. So student, this is actually 0.01 bigger than 0.65 to power n. If I switch it, this from this side, his mouth is closed. You can see this is a less than from this end. So if I switch it, 0.65 to power n, so I will must write like this. Okay, now I'm going to do a next part. Hold on 1 minute, please. Okay, I will do now next part here. So finish the finishing end here. So I'm doing it here. So how to bring the power down? One choice we have only. Take the logarithm of both sides. So I have taken ln logarithm of 0.6 to power n and logarithm of 0. And wait a minute, this is mixing up. Okay. So you know it very well, log of 0.01. Okay, how to bring this power down? Because the rule of the logarithm. If I have after logarithm any value power, this power will come down. So b times 2 logarithm of a. So same property I'm applying here. I bring n down logarithm of 0.65 less than logarithm of 0.01. Okay, very interesting part. I have to bring it under it. But do you know logarithm after whatever, if the value come in less than 1 and bigger than 0, this always give you negative answer. So this 0.65 is coming in the range. So this answer is 100% negative. And when negative value will divide, inequality will flip automatically. I believe you got my point. So I must write this way. So logarithm 0.01 by logarithm 0.65. And if I type in calculator, I'm getting 10.69. And if I draw a number line here, this is 9, this is a 10, this is 11, this is 12. And 10.69 is coming here. Hold on, here and going right side. How why right side? Because n value is more than this number. But we have a million trillion numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But he said our smallest number of n. So if I find smallest number of n, so naturally, hold on a minute. So yes, so there are many numbers, but least number is naturally is 11, 12, 13, many. But he asked least number. So least number is coming 11. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe the concept is very clear and question is completely done.